Morning, everyone. It's 8:40, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 610, and again, I remind you, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, there's plenty of news and plenty of earnings. The president signed his order yesterday for buying America, and Janet Yellen also was confirmed. We also had news from Leon Black, who runs Apollo, and he's actually stepping down. And the reason he's stepping down is pushback on the Jeffrey Epstein relationship. So there you have that. Another one bites the dust. Earnings, UBS, a beat. Top and bottom line, it's up a little. It had closed at 14.53 and it's trading around 14.98. 3M beat both top and bottom line and had solid guidance for next year, and the stock is up 2.59 or 1.5%. Verizon beat, but did not get the amount or the number of new signups, switches in particular. And the stock yesterday closed 58.42. Pre-open, it traded up to 58.87 on the headline of the beat, but has fallen back down and is now 57.85. So that's $1.02 lower on that, and the net change of 1% is 57 cents. American Express missed on their numbers. Loan losses were also higher, and their narrative was that travel and business travel are down, but online shopping seems to be improving. So the stock is down $1.85 or 1.53%. Johnson & Johnson beat both top and bottom line. 16% increase in their drug business as opposed to their consumer products business. You recall that they have a COVID vaccine that everybody is talking about for mass use, but it hasn't been approved yet. Nonetheless, the stock is up 3.17. And one of my old favorites, General Electric, we bought the stock at $8.20 and wrote against it a couple of times. Our adjusted price, adjusted cost is roughly $4.20, and they missed, but one of those not as bad as. And the good news was that at the end of the year, they had 37 billion in liquidity, and that was good enough to get the stock up to 12, up $1.01 or 8.8%. AMC is up a little. I warned you about it yesterday. Be careful out there with it. GME is higher again today, about $15. That one doesn't need me to warn you. Everybody on the face of the earth is warning you. Asia was down, including Hong Kong, down over 2%, and Europe is slightly higher. The Dow, which is buoyed by 3M and Johnson & Johnson, which is basically doing better than American Express and Verizon are doing poorly. So we're up about 70 there. We're down about 10 in the NASDAQ, and the S&P is up about 5. The chart on the screen is Bitcoin. I said that this looked like it might be a reversal, but I saw a problem up here over 35 to 36,000. It rallied up to 34,930 yesterday, and right now is down 1,750. This is a problem, mainly because for the first time in a very long time, this purple line, the 5-day, is going through the blue line, which is the 20-day, and that's the old Dick Donchen trending signal. So that's moving to the downside here. If it doesn't turn back up pretty soon, we'll undoubtedly have a shot at that 28,900. And if it doesn't hold there, which was my original support, then it puts this gap into play. Nat gas is a bit higher. Bonds are slightly lower. The dollar is about unchanged. Gold is down a couple of pennies. And that's about it. So be careful out there, everyone. And I'll come back at you with anything new. By the way, Telluride is continuing Tellurian is continuing to act really well. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback, maybe to that 3.5, 375 area. We traded $4.30 last night. So keep your position sizes appropriate. You won't have to worry about these pullbacks.